This is the Polycom VVX 350. We have a standard dial pad at the bottom. We have the volume buttons right here, which control the volume on the handset, the headset, the speakerphone, and your regular ringer, and it will remember what you last set each option to. Above it is a hold resume button, and then a voicemail button.
Welcome to your Compilot voice portal.
And a transfer button that we don't really use too much here. We'll use it up here in the soft keys later on. Over on the right, we have your headset button, which will light up green, your speaker button, and the mute button. Up in the top right, we have the message waiting indicator, which will flash red if you have a voice message waiting in your voicemail box. We have a microphone at the very bottom, which picks up at a 270-degree angle. So as long as you're in front of your phone, you'll have that great HD quality voice. In the top left, we have the extension, and below it is all of your BLFs, or busy lamp fields, which are like advanced speed dials. If a call is active on one of those users, you'll have a red light just to the left. Just above the dial pad, we have your home button to go to your main menu, and your back button, and a select wheel. Just at the bottom of the screen, we have a new call button, a directory, and if you go down to your enterprise directory, you have a list of everybody in your company that you can scroll through, or you can search for them. You have to enter a minimum of 3 characters to start searching. So if I type in MIC and hit submit, I have all of the Michael users. So I can go down to Michael Papa, press view, and I can choose how I want to call him, is work phone, extension, or mobile phone. If I press dial, I call Michael like that. Okay. Next we have a paging button to page all phones in the office. And then there's some other options like do not disturb and guest in right there for hoteling. To place a call using an extension or a phone number, we would dial it down here. We recommend using this like a cell phone. You don't need to dial 1, you don't need to dial 9, 7, anything like that. You just dial their 10-digit phone number or their extension, and then you press call or pick up the handset. So I'll demonstrate that now. Okay, a call is active between me and Michael Papa. So now I have some new options down at the bottom of the soft keys. I have the hold resume button. I have end call to terminate it. I have the transfer button, and there's some more over here that we'll see in a moment. There are 2 different transfer options. There's consultative, which is the default. Consultative is an instance where I have a call on hold, and to transfer that to a third person, I first hit transfer. I enter their extension or press their speed dial there or their phone number, and then it calls them, I speak to them, and then I press transfer again to send the call over. There's also blind, so if I don't want to talk to that third person, I can just press blind, enter the user's phone number, extension, whatever, and it'll send the call right to them, and they will see that initial caller's caller ID. Okay, then we hit the more button, and we see a few more options. Lines is a great way to get back to the main menu if you want to switch up what line you're calling from. It's more options that we're not going to get into here. We have the to voicemail button, and what this does is it allows you to transfer a call directly into somebody's voicemail box. You just enter that party's extension here and press enter, and it'll send the call directly into their voicemail box without ringing at all. Cancel will bring it back to the call. Then we press more, we have conference. Conference works just like transferring. You enter their extension, speak to the third person, press conference, and then you're all on a conference call. And then to hang up, just press end call. Now to receive a call, the call is ringing, I can silence the call or I can answer it. I can also pick up a handset too, or press the speaker button key, and that'll answer the call as well. So I have the same options at the bottom. Very easy. But let's see what happens when another call calls me while I'm on the phone with this person. Okay, we see that the large conference room is calling me. I can answer it. And we can see that now I'm on the phone with the large conference room and I have Michael pop on hold. If I want to switch over to Michael, I can hit the down button to hover over Michael and press resume. Now the large conference room is on hold. If I want to bring the two calls together and have one conference, I'd press more and then I'd press join. Conference will make me call another fourth person. But I'm going to go ahead and press join. And now everybody is in a conference. You can see it just says one conference right there. And then I can end the call.